So we released a new report this week called Enough is Enough, Confronting Chinese Innovation Mercantilism, which by that term we mean a whole array of policies that the Chinese government has put in place that violate the spirit or the letter of the WTO to gain unfair advantage, including over American companies and workers in technology, technology industries. And one of the questions is, what can we do about it? Are we just helpless in front of this, and hopefully eventually the Chinese will stop doing this? The answer is clearly we're not helpless. We haven't done as much as we need to date, although the Obama administration has just announced new initiatives, a new trade task force, and increased funding for customs to interdict Chinese pirated products. So the administration's taking steps in the right direction, but we really need to do a lot more. Here's a few ideas. One thing we could do would be to fund the Customs Bureau much more aggressively, so that we find every single Chinese product that's coming into this country that is pirated and trademark violation, and we destroy it. We can fund USTR, United States Trade Representative's Office, more, so that they can go and bring more cases with the WTO. We need to just put a lot more pressure on the Chinese and work with our trading partners in Europe and Australia and other countries that embrace the notion of rules-based and free trade the way the United States does. And if we do that, we can put real pressure on the Chinese so that they back away from these destructive policies. So I want to be clear, we want the Chinese to succeed economically. We want them to get rich. But we don't want them to do it in a way that's unfair, that is essentially using a set of unfair and mercantilist trade practices. So I think we can do this, but the real first step is taking it seriously and saying that it's time to act.